Here is one excellent story by a lady from Bristol, England. After consuming it for 12 months, she experienced unbelievable health advantages. She has amazing pH levels, that means she alkalized her body, she improved her digestion, and also what is really important is that she relieved her arthritis symptoms. She gets all these benefits by drinking 1 glass of turmeric water every morning for 12 months. How to prepare this miraculous drink: in a glass of warm water, add a teaspoon of ground turmeric with a pinch of black pepper, and stir well. Drink the whole amount immediately, until it is warm. The turmeric water should be consumed every morning, and these are its benefits. Promotes heart health. Its main ingredient, curcumin, eliminates plaque from the blood vessels and prevents the formation of blood clots. Reverses type 2 diabetes. The Auburn University conveyed a study in 2009 which was published by Biochemistry and Biophysical Research Communications and demonstrated that this spice can provide great help in the treatment of diabetes. Alkalizes your body. Turmeric is highly alkaline, and cancer thrives in an acidic environment only. Protects your brain. According to scientists, the low levels of the growth hormone, brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF), are often related to Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Moreover, they have provided evidence that curcumin controls the levels of this hormone, and thus prevents age-related brain functions and brain diseases. Fights against inflammation. The major cause of numerous diseases is inflammation. Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory properties and thus efficiently fights inflammations and protects the organism. Anti-cancer properties. Curcumin successfully prevents cancer, as it is a strong antioxidant, and antioxidants protect cells from damage. Relieves arthritis symptoms. According to a 2012 study of raw curcumin is as effective as the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug NSAID, and even more than diclofenac in treating the swelling and pain. Improves digestion. Scientists claim that the regular consumption of turmeric improves digestion. Liver protection. Turmeric promotes a proper gallbladder function, protects the liver from the dangerous consequences of toxins, and effectively regenerates the damaged liver cells. Decelerates aging and promotes longevity. Curcumin successfully destroys free radicals and prevents inflammation, and thus decelerates the aging process. Please subscribe.